Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Maverick Sport XRC. We've just installed the side mirror set from Can-Am. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how the installation went and how they look on the machine. So as you can see them installed, the installation was a breeze. You're basically going to pull out these two screws right here. This whole plastic cover will come off. There's a nut that will need to go on the back with these two bolts. This bolt has a nut on the back. This bolt has a zerk already in the cage. That mounts on this piece, and then all you do is you have two more bolts on the side to mount the mirror onto the bracketry. It is adjustable, pushing on the glass, and it does have the break-in function. So if you're pulling in somewhere tight, happen to smack a tree, it's going to fold in out of the way. Looks really nice. Great quality product from Can-Am. Works with the cage design. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We can get some sent your way. Let us know what you think. Have a great day, everybody.